pain. No, I won't let it turn into hate. No, I won't let it change me. Yeah. Hey yo, what is good guys? Thank you so much for clicking and joining me for another video, and welcome back to another Menlo Club unboxing. Yeah, today we are unboxing, it's May 5th, so happy Cinco de Mayo guys. So shout out to all los hispanos que están en la canal mía. Bienvenidos a otro video de unboxing. But yeah, shout out to anyone who is of Mexican heritage. We're out here. We's out here celebrating Cinco de Mayo. So happy Cinco de Mayo. Woo! Go get some tacos. Alright, but we're gonna jump into an unboxing. So we're gonna unbox my April package. It just got here this week, so yeah, Menlo Club, it's May now, bro. But anyways, we're gonna unbox my April package that arrived a few days ago, and I'm so stoked because these are actually the package that I've been most excited about, because we got some new shoes from New Republic, and they're supposed to be a pretty big fab. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so again guys, these shoes themselves are New Republic, but again they were sent by Menlo Club, and they are sponsored by them. And as far as, you know, what kind of shoes they are, they're kind of more like a sneaker, like a tennis shoe sneaker type thing, type vibe, like almost like a Vans type vibe. Bear with me with that, but let's jump into this. I want you guys to check them out with me, because honestly I was gonna actually rock these the other day, like yesterday, but I was like, no, I still have to record this video, and if I would have worn them, I would have definitely got them dirty probably before I recorded this video, because they are clean white shoes. That's the only problem I see with these shoes, but okay. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Again, enjoy your weekend. It's beautiful out. Go outside, do something with your life. If not, I don't know, you can take a nap. Alright, let's go ahead and start unboxing this. I'm going to cut this open with my knife here, and then I'll switch angles so we can take a look inside the box. Alright? That'll be perfect. Slide this guy out. Let's see if there's anything on the letter. Of course, there's usually never nothing on here. Let's see. Ooh, we got a little surprise in here. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alright, and here they are, guys. But these are the New Republics by Marc Mcnairy. Or Mcnairy, something like that. But it opens on this side. So these are the Kurtz. That's the style of these guys. They're the Kurtz. Again, these are white in color, and that's about it. And these are 9.5. I got a decently sized phone. Alright guys, so here we go. New Republic by, and then we're just gonna put this guy this way. So these open from the side. Woo! Take a peep in there, guys. Pretty stoked. Go ahead and take one of these guys out. Oh shit! Yo! It comes with each individually packed. That's a big bab. They're each individually packed. We're gonna take out the other one. No, guys. We also got some cello socks for the shoes. Not bad, not bad. Cut and show. No show socks. Blue. Not sure how I feel about the blue, but definitely a vibe with the shoes. That's neat. All right. And there you go, guys. There we have them. The freaking new. These are so clean. We got the sides and the inside. And again, these kind of are like a sneaker tennis shoe type vibe, just super low cut, like a Vans, pair of Vans type stuff. But again, super clean. You can honestly just rock these with anything. And it's like the inside is like a velvety sole, so it's super soft, which is very nice. Sometimes you get those cheapy shoes that are like almost like the same kind of fabric from the outside, in the inside, like a rubber in the inside, which is kind of bad because that tends to burn the inside of your foot. Republic on the inside of this, which is probably a really cool part of this. New Republic, just like that. Shoelaces, I love the shoelaces and how they lead up to this part, and to me that's just really nice. Alright guys, so these are it, right? Super nice, super clean. I'll let that focus on it. Boom, 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 and one time for the one time. Alright, but that's New Republic in there, that's in there. Yo, again, this is the thing I was most excited. I saw a bunch of pictures. Menlo was just hyping this up for this month, and I can see why, because your boy actually needed a new pair of shoes, so boom, we got it. And these are not a bad addition to a collection at all. You got a nice clean white sneaker. You can take anywhere. You can use at any time, at any point. All right, let's try these bad boys on. Again, it's not going to be the best quality. I'm so sorry. But I'm wearing my Evergreen t-shirt and the Menlo Club joggers that I got from earlier in the year from Grand AC Athletic Wear. So we're going to go ahead and put these together, see how it looks with the outfit. I'm grayed out, but maybe a little pop of white will help me out today. Alright? Alright guys, so this is how they look on your feet. Zoom in a little bit. So that's how these guys look. And to be honest guys, these guys are actually super comfortable. And let's give you a little side shot. The black socks aren't really working with that with the white shoes in my opinion, but the socks that they gave are pretty useful, so we might use those. Alright guys, but that is it for this video. So this month we got the New Republic sneakers, the Kurt sneakers by Marc Mcnairy, and honestly these are a big vibe. Again, this was the thing that I was most excited for this month. And as far as how I'll rate it, I give this a solid 4 stars. Like, you can't, I'm gonna do 4.5 stars because you can't go wrong with a pair of sneakers. And guys, if you want your own monthly package from Menlo Club, if you want to see what they're kind of talking about, I know it's new and they offer a lot of different stuff, and they have a lot of deals with a lot of brands and stuff that you might like. So if you want to try it out, get your first month for $20 when you get $40 off of your first package. Using my promo code, guys, you can take out $40. That will be linked down in the description below. Go save yourself $40, get your first package, see how you like it, and kind of go off of that. So that'll be linked down in the description below. Go check out Menlo Club for yourself. You might love it. I know some of you have already, and you can't go wrong, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.